MacBook Pro a2442, a2779, a2918, a2992. Watermark will appear on the screen when replacing it. We can clearly see from the video. There are some shadows and watermarks on the upper edge of the screen. Let's replace another LCD and test it. For 14-inch MacBook Pro, M1 a2442, M2 a2779, M3 a2918, a2992. Let's replace another LCD and test it. There are still some watermarks on the edges. Look carefully at the top edge of the screen. A row of watermarks appears. This is because the MacBook screen after M1 has an encryption program. To solve this problem, we can find a QR code on the original old screen cable. Using this raw information, program the new LCD. After we programmed using the QR code information of the original old screen, install the programmed LCD to the motherboard for testing and confirmation. Test the programmed LCD. You can see that the watermark shadow on the edge of the screen has completely disappeared, and the display is very perfect. If you also encounter difficulties in this area, maybe we can help you solve this problem. Technical support can be contacted. WhatsApp or WeChat +86 186094800414.